Many dogs and cats, particularly as they age, suffer from joint injuries. Mel, what are some of the most common issues that you see?
By far it would be cruciate ligament rupture, and then you've got patelloluxation. You've got elbow and hip dysplasia, intervertebral disc disease, and then as they age, we've got osteoarthritis.
Besides injury and age, what are some of the other factors?
Genetics is number one. You're born with the tendency to have that malformation or that predisposition. And then you add on compounding factors like obesity, poor nutrition, and the wrong type of exercise or activity for that breed or age, and you've got the injury.
And so what are some of the treatments used by vets?
If there's acute pain, then we want to get rid of that. So we're going to use non-steroidals or opioids or gabapentin. You might also need surgery if the joint is very unstable. And then on top of that, you want to rehabilitate the joint.
Yes, physical. Massage. Darcy loves his massage.
So loosening off those muscles with acupuncture and laser and then hydrotherapy to build muscle tone helps immensely, as well as your natural supplements.
Now, inflammation can have a really big impact as well, caused by stress. So supplements are a great way, obviously managing stress, number one. But secondly, there's a lot of supplements these days that can really help inflammation and support joint health overall.
There is. The specific one that we all know is glucosamine. And then you have green lip mussel, which has some anti-inflammatory properties. And then, of course, adding on to that, we've got curcumin. And then you've got CBD, good quality vet-prescribed CBD oil. MSM, which is actually methyl sulfonyl methane.
Okay, so that's a sulfur compound for those of you that had no idea what she said.
It's good research. And that's actually in plants and animals, so it's a natural product, but it's important for keratin and collagen production, so skin and joints.
Then we've got the hyaluronic acid.
Yes, that's another natural product, which people might not know. It's not only in the anti-aging products that we buy, but it's also in our joints, in the lubricating joint fluid and in the shock absorber cartilage.
Yeah.
And it's an anti-inflammatory in the body as well.
Okay, so besides the supplements, what are some of your top tips to help reduce pressure on their joints in the first place?
Well, we don't want to do the wrong activity.
Yeah.
We don't want to be overweight. We want to be fit. And we want to be eating a good, complete, balanced diet.
Yes.
And minimising stress, because we know that otherwise you go into this pro-inflammatory state. Of course, all these supplements can boost that effect.
Lovely. Thanks, Mel.
No worries, Lara.
I think you've got most of these in your diet, Darcy, but just no more ball throwing.
Top dog owner.
Yeah.
To learn more about the EAC Animal Care Nutraceuticals range, visit their website.